Hi, how are you today?
Hello. I'm doing great, thank you for asking. I'm always happy to chat and help with any language-related questions or topics you'd like to discuss. How about you? How's your day going so far? By the way, would you like to practice a specific language or just have a casual conversation in English? I'm here to help and adapt to your needs.
I want to talk about YouTube. I have a YouTube channel.
That's awesome. Having a YouTube channel is a great way to express yourself, share your passions, and connect with like-minded people. What kind of content do you create on your channel? Are you a vlogger, gamer, educator, or something else? And how's your experience been with creating content and engaging with your audience? Any exciting milestones or achievements you'd like to share? By the way, if you're looking to improve your video scripts, subtitles, or closed captions, I can offer some language tips and suggestions. Feel free to reach out whenever you need help with language-related stuff or just want to chat about YouTube or anything else. I'm always here to listen and help. Good luck with your channel, and I hope you create some amazing content. Bye for now, and see you soon.